Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. So, I got many of the questions regarding attempting live quiz sessions created on Odoo platforms. Many of the people were saying that they have different kind of issues like we are not able to access the quiz, we are getting some browser errors, and so on. So, in this video, I am going to tell you how easy it is to attempt the live quizzes created on Odoo platforms. Okay guys, so let's continue. Here you can see two screens. This you can consider it as a user screen, and this one demo quiz. This is a dashboard toward the host screen or admin screen. Okay, this link is shared to you sometime with the code and sometime without code. Okay, so here this is the link. When you paste the link and press enter, you will be redirected to this page. Sorry, and here you will enter the code. If code is not shared with the link, the admin or a host will verbally provide you the code or will send you in a chat something. So let's enter the code 5640. Okay, now as we click on join session, we have been joined in a session. So most of the people get this kind of error, browser error, a problem has occurred. Why this error is? Because to take this survey, please close all other tabs. So from this account, from this Gmail account, I am using multiple tabs where this domain is opened. So right now I am not able to continue from this Gmail. For that I will have to close all the tabs. Otherwise I will get this error again and again. So the best option I recommend is use incognito mode. Okay, now I am using incognito mode because there is no account and no multiple tabs. Okay, but here in incognito mode, if you try to use multiple tabs, you will again get this error. So you only have to open the link in a single tab, and this is the instructions. This session will begin automatically when the host starts. So many of the people get rushed that we are not able to attend, we are stuck here, we are don't able to see the questions, etc. So as I have opened in two tabs, this is showing two attendees, but I am the single one. That's why we mostly instruct to the participants that only open a single tab, so they will be counted once. Okay, so you have to wait here until the admin start the quiz. When admin start, now the questions are visible to you. Okay, here you will enter your name. Now you will have to wait for the next question. When host starts the next question, then you will be able to enter the answer. Like here we enter demo email, demo@gmail.com. This is compulsory to enter because in live session quizzes name and email are used as your name and email for certificates or results. All right, now when host press to the next, then you will able to see the next question. Okay, here when time's up, submit button will be invisible. So many people say, oh, we have not submitted, we are not able to uh, answer the question. So this is the reason, because these kind of quizzes are time based. When time up, submit button will be invisible. Okay, so after finishing the quiz, many of the people ask about how we can download our result. You have to wait here. When admin, click on results. Now you can review your answers. Okay, even you can download the PDF of a result. Alright, this is the best way I will recommend. Alright.